Skinnies, what? Dinner of champions right here. What do we got? We have a large fry with the large orange high C. We have 2 cheeseburgers. It is dinner of champions. Yes, it is. What up, world? Welcome back to another episode of Skinny's World. I'm eating my dinner. Or we have cars lined up. My boy Moab is in the building again. PTR crew. Are you trying to snag my dinner? Trying to snag my dinner. What are we doing tonight? Malibu Autobahn midnight run. Well, technically it starts at 9, but it's gonna go to midnight. So it's called the midnight run. It's gonna be crazy. I'm a little nervous. I don't wanna get pulled over. I don't wanna get arrested. So I'm waiting for 2 more people. We're gonna hit the street. So let me enjoy my dinner real quick. And then we can get on about our way. Yes, let's go. I hope I got that one. That thing was like 7 feet in the air. That's how we do it tonight. I think Moab is definitely the king of flamethrowing. She's definitely the king. Ain't this about a blip? Yeah, either there's an accident or they're slowing up traffic because somebody was getting on the freeway, I don't know. Somebody was throwing flames, hitting the gas, the brake, spitting flames. I mean, it wasn't us. Those are flashing lights right there. So, police activity already. Wow, I don't think he's worried about the police. Okay. Safely arrived.
Pulling up, feeling like Harry Belafonte. Look at my racks, feel like Serena went from the back. Swing, pull like Jim, waves on swim, and a rock Timbs with the tech. Butterfly doors on the Tesla, I just spent shit on God. Hold up.
Freaky little mommy wanna suck me till I sleep. I can't even lie, yeah, she being a little creep.
I know, right? The Hellcats are taking over. Wow, well, guys, it got broken up. The Po-Pos broke up the meet. We're heading on the rally, heading up to Long Beach. I want to give a shout out to my boys over here at Next Level. They stepped it up big time. The shop looks amazing, guys. Long Beach, let's get it. They ain't playing about shutting this thing down, boy. Woo. 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 Oh yeah, it was definitely shut down. It was a wrap. Yo. They ain't playing around. They got this whole thing blocked off. Wow. Man, that thing got shut down quick style. About 15 minutes and everybody was out. Everybody is driving so safe right now.
I told him meet me in the back.
Okay, I spoke too soon. Adam had to make me a liar.
came in with a man, but she leaving with me, yeah. Cause she know that I'm the man. Said she got a plan, and she know me from the gram. Oh, man, I think she might be a fan. Maybe then twice, so it might be a scam. Oh, yeah, might be. All that I hate is a liar. Cause
All right, we came. I feel like we're about to park a lot pimp right now. He made it. Yo, the man with no directions.
Skinny's World!
My man's always getting lost.
I was trying to find Skinny's World, and that's pop up.
Hey, I'm not Waldo. No, we found Waldo on the car. No, legit. I saw this in my Cars and Copies vlog, but legit. He's got Waldo. Where's Waldo?
You got it. You got it.
Saw his ass last time.
You got
Where's
it.
Waldo? Waldo, where you at?
You got it.
Bam! Y'all thought I was kidding. Bam, look at that. Look at Waldo. I was joking. There's another one? Oh, is he down here? Hold on. Oh, snaps. There's my dude right there. Woo! Now, this thing throws like 15-foot flames. That was a cannon every time it popped. Like, pop,
It's like,
pop.
it's trying to find the right way to do it still.
Man, these McLarens are nasty.
You gotta get in it and rip it. Something that is so like, I mean, don't get me wrong, the Lamborghini twin turbo is awesome, but
It's a whole nother ball game.
it's just like if you twin turbo yours, you know?
Yeah, but still, like, this is race car, and it's got center seats, guys. And it's got center seats. Like, come on, like 600 LT, killing it with the center seats, man. Quick little gas stop, of course, you know, all the GTRs got to get their E85. The E85 crew too?
No.
Okay, yeah.
Only
so you like me.
91.
So you like me.
Yeah.
We only do 91.
Woo, with 91 boys.
Yeah.
I don't like that like buttery, weird smell. Like
We're hating a little bit because we can't do
or
it.
like
so.
having to use a map to find a gas station. I
Right?
can't use a map to find the next drop
Right?
point, let alone a gas station that's got E85.
Yeah,
hey,
hey.
all y'all guys entitled rocking E85, buy ahead.
Okay. All right. Time to go now. Time to go. My boy Garrett. Gosh, his McLaren. The LT is crazy. Man, no way, I've never disappointed. Oh, shit. Dang, what is going on down there? Woo. That does not look fun. Oh, yeah. It's just cops everywhere tonight. Holy sh. Okay, what's up? What do you think?
Yeah. I don't want to get out. Sick.
Like it?
Sick.
See if I can get out.
Let's see the dismount. There you go.
Nailed
Made it.
Period.
Shut it. Bam. There
Period.
you go. There you're going to. Look at that. Woo. Okay. I need some of those Moab. I need some. Look, you're popping hoods
I
now.
had to warm up.
Oh yeah. Okay. Yeah. It's true. It is a little chilly out here. Ooh. Look at the Smurf mobile. Look at that. Right? Pop a Smurf mobile. What's up, man? Man. Shit. That's what farts in here. Y'all are farts. Oh my God.
Been ripping out.
Yo, I smell it. I straight smell it. It's like strawberries and poots. Hey, it legit stinks in there. I swear. Wow. Kids these days. All right, let's check out the whips before we get kicked out because we're definitely gonna get the boots. It's gonna happen. We're in Newport. As you see, we have a plethora of vehicles out here. Oh my God. Oh my. What is he really getting on top of the G-Wagon like that? Minute. Okay. I got caught off guard a little bit, but is he really calling up?
Yeah, that's what the plates are for. I can set
Oh,
my
those are
chair
legit
here.
metal plates?
Yeah, I can set my chair here.
I thought it was a vinyl wrap earlier. Oh, excuse me? I'm an idiot. I literally took a B-roll of this. I thought it was a vinyl wrap. It's metal plates.
No, this is all it's all functional.
Holy, that's amazing.
No.
That's awesome. You're gonna hop on the G-Wagon. See if I do this right here. Hold on. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. Oh, snaps. Woo! On the G-Wagon. Yes. Yes. On the G. Your boy's on the G. On the G. I'm the first African American on the G-Wagon. Can y'all say you're on the G-Wagon first? No, you'll be second. You'll be second. I had to say it. I had to say it.
I want to see a windmill.
No, I'm not. I can't afford it. I can't afford for brakes. It's his car, and I
Yeah,
can't.
don't get hurt though.
Yeah, I can't fix that. Yeah. Hey, you see that? Oh shoot! Hold on. I lost my balance right there.
Yeah, don't drop your
Yeah. Let me get down before I push my luck. Hold on. Let me get down slow. Woo! Yes! First African American to climb on a G-Wagon. Yes, sir. My man, thank you. I appreciate it.
welcome.
That was awesome.
Like, they're supposed to hang up to almost 500 pounds. So.
I'm not that heavy. Best upgrade ever on a G-Wagon. That is freaking amazing. The bench, the gray with the red top. Hey, composer. I know you're gonna say heck no or hell no, but if you were to let your hair down, blow in the wind, this would be you right here. The red top, he's got the silver to match. I know I'm pushing it. My bad, brother. Oh my gosh. The Tesla is like icy right now. Look at it.
It's like the hot tub time machine Tesla. Let's go take you back to 10 years ago with the homies. Let's go. Jump in the hood. Ready?
Hot tub time machine. We got more big wangs in the house. Look, we got more big wangs. What? The Fiat's got a wang? Oh! Chassis mounted. Hold on, you gotta check the back though. Ooh, you heard a wheelie?
Yeah, I heard a wheelie.
Look at this. I'm not even hating on that. I'm not even
I gotta step on my level, dude.
right? Like this thing, it's time to go. So when it's time to go, it's time to go. Hear that? Ooh. This sounds good. Beamers are out to play today. Yo.
Cut the cop off.
Who, I did? Oh, I didn't even see him, yo. Peekaboo, peekaboo.
Checking out Skinny's World though.
Subscriber. Wow, snuck up on your boy. Oh, somebody got it. Somebody got the business. Oh, snap. Yep, time to go home. Yep, it is time to go home. Dang. They ain't playing today. No, they're not. They have quite the squad, though. Quite the squad rolling out. Everyone's behaving right now. I love how everyone is just like driving quiet. Oh, wait. Spoke too soon. The Mustang had to do it. But for the most part, everyone's driving pretty good. Oh, okay. You guys don't think I'm lying. I swear I'm not lying. Everybody was driving pretty safe. Quiet and smooth, all the cops. Oh, bang. As soon as I say that, everyone's popping like crazy. I feel like everyone's getting ready for this light to turn green because the freeway is about 100 feet away. Oh my God. Garrett. Wow. Late night snacks at the end of the outs, because it goes in and it comes right out.
right out.
All right, in and out. Check. Time to go home. Check. Look at this lineup though. This lineup is amazing. But yes, it is 1:03. If I can focus on the lens. 1:03 a.m. in the morning. It's time to go. Time out. I'll catch you on the next one. Good run. Good run.
Always good.
Catch you on the next
Yes,
one.
sir.
Good run. And we'll catch you on the next one.
Sir, yes, sir.
We're gonna head out. Everyone's gonna head home, and we're gonna get on the way home. Sit back, relax. Your boy's tired, but we're gonna hit them streets. Home sweet home. Yee! Ripping, baby! What a way to say bye. All right, guys, we are back. It is the next day. Man, yesterday was crazy. Ripping and running the streets with the crew. Had an amazing time. Malibu Audubon. What a dope event. I'm glad you guys actually make it come down a little bit further south in the OC area because I know your boy Skinny lives in. I live in SD. Man, I look like SD right now because of the leaves falling, but I live in SD. Dope seeing everybody, man. I'm so proud of Next Level, man. You guys did an amazing job with the shop. Looks incredible. I can't wait to see what the future has hold for you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this vlog. Hit that subscribe button, everybody, on the bottom right-hand corner of your screen. More dope vids coming, and hang on tight, because like I said, I got a lot more mods coming for the R8. We are not done. I got some winter-ish upgrades to do. I can't really tell you what it's gonna be, but I have some winter-ish upgrades coming to the R8, so I'm really excited for that. Like always, guys, I had a blast. Thanks for tagging along, and just like that, Skinny's real, and we out. Skinny's real.